Hello everyone and welcome to my channel again. Today, we are going to change the look of one of the oldest and most classic tools in Windows, the Run Dialog box. This menu has kept the exact same basic design since Windows 95, meaning it has looked virtually unchanged for over 30 years. While it is incredibly useful, its gray background, old icons, and outdated buttons just do not match the modern design of Windows 10 and Windows 11. I will show you how to completely modernize it. We are going to replace that legacy look with a beautiful, modern, and minimalist run menu that supports full dark mode and Fluent Design without needing to modify your registry. Okay, let's get started. All you need to do is download the tool, and there's no need to search for it, as I've put the direct link to the Microsoft Store page in the video description. Once you open that link, it will take you straight to this page. From here, simply click the download button. The file is small and lightweight, so it will finish downloading in just a few seconds. As soon as the download is complete, open your downloads folder on your computer. You will see the setup file ready to go. Now, just double-click that installer file to start the process. You might notice a slight delay before the installation window actually appears on your screen. Do not worry if nothing happens immediately. This is completely normal. In my case, it actually took about half a minute for the window to pop up, so just give it a few seconds and let the system process the file. As you can see, a window appears saying, "Retrieving information from the Microsoft Store." This means that the app details are being fetched from Microsoft servers, which is why the download may take some time. So, if you experience a slight delay here, don't worry, this is perfectly normal. It will check the system requirements, performing a quick scan of your computer's components and Windows operating system version to ensure full compatibility. This step only takes a few moments. It will then begin downloading the application files to your computer. Simply wait until the progress bar is complete. Wait for the installation to finish and a new run window will open. Note the helpful message below it. If the application does not open up automatically on your screen, the window will simply close, and you can easily find it and launch it straight from your Windows Start menu. Now, let's open up the Start menu, click on All Apps, scroll down, and launch the new tool. Instantly, the Run Dialog box appears in its brand new format, looking exactly like what you see on the screen. Just look at how clean and modern this interface is. It completely throws away the ancient look for a sleek, centered design with smooth corners and a perfect dark mode that matches today's Windows styling. From now on, whenever you press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard, this gorgeous, updated window is exactly what will pop up every single time. You'll find a small gear-shaped icon for settings. Clicking on this icon will take you directly to the App Settings panel. The first option at the top is OpenAI API section. This advanced feature lets you connect your Run menu directly to an AI model like ChatGPT by pasting your API key. Once connected, it turns the menu into a smart assistant. Instead of memorizing old-school system paths or technical commands, you can just type using natural language, like typing "Open the Settings app," and the AI will instantly understand and execute the command for you. It is an incredibly powerful feature that brings artificial intelligence directly into your daily desktop workflow. We have a few options. The first is Remain in Background. When enabled, this keeps the app quietly running in the background after you execute a command, so it is always ready to instantly pop up again. The second option is very important. It overrides the default Windows hotkey, meaning whenever you press Windows key plus R, it opens this new modern window instead of the old legacy one. We have the option to show the Run window in the system tray. This adds a quick access icon for the tool down in your system tray by the clock, allowing you to launch it with a simple mouse click. The last option, Close After Command, automatically closes the Run window the exact moment your command successfully executes, keeping your desktop clean and clutter-free. Adjust these options to your preferences. Looking closely at the main interface, you will see a small arrow inside the input box. Clicking it opens up a complete history of all your previously typed commands, which saves you from retyping them. There is also an X button right next to it to quickly clear out anything you have currently written. Also, you have the classic Browse button, allowing you to easily look through your storage and select any file, script, or executable you want to run. The standout feature is the arrow next to the Run button, which gives you a direct option to run as administrator. This is incredibly useful because instead of memorizing the old, complex keyboard shortcut, Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter, to get elevated privileges, you can now launch commands or scripts with full administrative permissions with a single simple click. This tool offers a perfect blend of modern user interface design and powerful new features. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more useful technical tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.